Hi guys, so I finally joined the drone pilots and got a DJI Spark. I know in 2018 the Mavic Air or the Mavic 2s are all the rage, but I can't afford them. I got this Spark used from a friend, paid around 200 euros for it, so that was a good deal for me. Sadly, I cannot connect the Spark to my phone, which is the Honor 9 Lite. Yeah, I tried every fix I could find. The most common one is that you turn on the drone. There it is. Makes a sound, but doesn't. There it is. So you're supposed to hold the power button for 6 seconds and it should make a beep. Should make a beep. Doesn't make a beep. It should make a beep, and then after that the Wi-Fi is supposed to be set back. There was the beep. So, but when I open the Wi-Fi on my phone, there is no Spark here. Luckily for me, I still have my old smartphone, which is the Sony Xperia Z5 Compact, which is a bit scratched up at the back. No, you can see it focuses, yeah. I can still connect this, so I was able to fly just once before, but I would show you the results. They won't be all that interesting. I still have to learn a lot to fly drones, but I will share some clips of my first flight anyway, so that maybe we can see progress and that I will actually get a better pilot. So I hope that was at least a bit entertaining, and I will see you next time.